नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू चार्ट्स पे चर्चा। मे सीरीज के व्यू के साथ हम आए हैं बहुत टाइम के बाद में। ड्यू टू कोविड एंड ऑल रेगुलर अपडेट्स नहीं थे, सो होपफुली यहाँ से अब रेगुलर अपडेट्स मिल जाए। एंड प्लीज़ बीच बीच में जैसा भी टाइम मिला हमने वीडियोस अपलोड किया था, व्यूज शेयर किया टेलीग्राम चैनल पे। सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, सब्सक्राइब टू टेलीग्राम चैनल वीडियो, ताकि तुम जब भी कुछ भी अपडेट आए उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। सो बेल आइकन को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा जब भी वेन एवर वी अपडेट any videos, you will get an update. If you please subscribe to the channel, click that bell icon. So okay, this is the nifty chart. आपको दिख रहा होगा निफ्टी चार्ट। और अगर आपको याद हो, if you all remember last time when I have done a video, there was clearly indicated market seems to be like a range bound of 15,000 to 14,500. Until this range holds, nothing major seems to be playing out. There was one dip towards 14,000 which was expected, which was shared in a mid-April video. Expected target was around 14,000 to 13,700 zone. Nifty reversed from 14,150. This was where Nifty has reversed. अगर एक चीज ऑब्जर्व करें निफ्टी में है, since last 2-3 months Nifty has broadly been in a range of 14,400 on a lower side and 15,000 15,050 on a higher side. From March, if we ignore these few days of March, observe from here since Feb mid to all the way till present, this complete month, March, April, Feb half, and most likely May is half is likely to be completed. Approximately 3 months within this range of 14,400 on a lower side and 15,000 on a higher side. And during this period, there have been couple of times high volumes, very high volumes. These volumes were very high than budget days, and then no follow through below this candle, and again they were regular high volumes, as can be seen here. What is surprising part is these recent volumes have been decreasing. One day we see high volume and then no follow through to volumes at all. If we observe the market, this recent up move for the last week has been completely in a very dull volumes, decreasing volumes, and Friday's volume being very dull. So if at all there is no volume buildup on Monday, coming to the views for the next week and May series, broad range remains same for the Nifty for the May series. 15,000, 15,050 would be the resistance on a higher side, 14,500, 14,400 support on a lower side. So broadly 15,000 to 14,500 will be the range. Most likely we may see a spike up towards 15,050, 15,100 on a higher side and 14,400 on a lower side. So broadly speaking, 600 points range. Market may do some more time pass within this range until some good volumes are seen, some accumulation or distribution with higher volumes is seen. As of now, most likely this looks like an accumulation or reaccumulation before some next big move is likely to trigger. Now, before the big move triggers, coming week, specifically Monday, will be interesting day to watch. If at all Nifty future manages to capture 15,050 and close above 15,050 on Monday, then we can assume there can be a breakout, provided there are some good volumes. Then we can assume there can be a breakout and a move towards 15,500, 15,800 likely to play. And this 15,500 can come within May series. If Nifty future captures 15,550 on Monday with good volumes, and stop loss for this view will be 14,900. So buying above 15,050, stop loss of 14,900, All the reference levels are closing basis. Look for the targets of 15,500, 15,800. Alternatively, if there is no good volumes or a bulls are unable to capture 15,050 on Monday or max by Tuesday, then I expect a dip towards 14,800, 14,800 or 14,500 again. If Nifty future fails to capture 15,050 by Monday or Tuesday max, then I expect a dip back towards 14,800, 14,500 again. Now, will market capture 15,050 immediately on Monday with good volumes? Has to be seen. And if it gets captured, then expect a move towards 15,500, 800 in May series. Else, one more dip, some range bound move. If 14,400 does not breaks in May series, closing basis, 14,400 would remain a very important support as of now. If that holds, then we can see a start of the next leg of up move, which can take Nifty futures all the way towards 15,800, 16,500 levels. This is the view I'm sharing for a broad 2-3 months period. I'll be doing a separate detailed analysis later post May series on this. So coming back to the just May series 15,050 and coming back to the next specifically for the next week 15,050 and 14,800. These two are the reference levels to be watched for the coming week. Sell below 14,800, stop loss of 14,900. Look for the targets of 14,500, 14,400. And above 15,050, expected move towards 15,400, 500. Till then, just a range bound move 14,800, 15,050 for the coming week. Broadly, for the coming week, 14,700 to 15,000 might be the range. And expecting expiry of this is a 3 days expiry because Thursday being a holiday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days expiry. So expecting this Thursday expiry to be somewhere within this range of 15,000 to 14,700. Most likely, it may expire just around 850, 14,800, 850 kind of zone, but within this range of 14,700, 15,000. This is the basic view for the coming week. And a broad view as shared 15,050 above, look for higher targets. Overall, this range bound move, whenever this breaks, whether it breaks in May or whether it breaks in June and any side, whether it breaks upside or lower side, expect at least 1,000-point moves and the move can extend all the way towards 2,000 points, which means either 17,000 can come or 12,500 can come in next 2-3 months in Nifty. As said, detailed analysis will be done later again, but this is to be kept in mind broadly on the back of a mind so that one can be prepared whenever a buy or sell triggers. A big move is likely to be triggered for next 3 months, so not to be missed. Clear, Vijay?
Yes, very clear. ये है निफ्टी का डेली चार्ट. ये पैरेलल चैनल है जो मार्च बॉटम से लेकर चल रहा है और जैसे पहले भी वीडियोस में एक्सप्लेन किया था मैंने कि एलियट वेव प्रिंसिपल्स के हिसाब से फोर्थ वेव में चैनल ब्रेक होता है, हो सकता है, इट इज अलाउड. सो which is why I have a strong feeling that this was a larger wave 4. Wave 1 यहाँ खत्म हुआ, wave 2, wave 3 के अंदर ही 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So wave 3 has topped at the top end of the channel and ये पूरा consolidation जो 2-2.5 महीने का चला है, ये पूरा wave 4 है and it's a very complex correction. ABC, AX, ABC ऐसे करके आप इसको काउंट कर सकते हो. And just looking at this channel itself, whenever Nifty moves above this candle, which is about 15,050, 15,040. इसके ऊपर अगर चलने लगता है तो the top of the channel is above 16,000. अब ये कितनी जल्दी होगा या कुछ महीने लगाएगा ये बोलना मुश्किल है, but 2-3 months में 16,000 plus on Nifty is not an impossibility. That is the way I look at it. And आने वाले हफ्ते के लिए, if we are, anyone here is carrying futures positions or options, we should keep, these two averages, 40-day and 20-day moving averages in mind, and this channel. So I think Thursday का जो low है, which is around 14,600, that is going to be the ultimate stop loss. If you want to keep it sharp, Friday low भी हम रख सकते हैं, ये doji बना है. So even if a day is wasted in some consolidation, I have a strong feeling that this is only going to go up. Back to you, Anand.
Something interesting in Bank Nifty compared to Nifty. What's that? While Nifty has been completely in a range, if we observe Bank Nifty, this has given a good trending move. One pullback and then good trending move and then pullback. Now it is consolidating. In fact, I think this is forming a base before it triggers some big move. Big move. Why I give more importance to Bank Nifty is, compared to Nifty, any direction of the Nifty will be most likely guided by the Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is indicating a move of at least 6,000 points. So the move can be towards 40,000 or the move can be all the way towards 25,000-26,000. Whenever this 34,000 or 32,000, whichever gives away in Bank Nifty, this 2,000 point range which Bank Nifty is forming since start of the May series, this is something interesting to be watched. 32,000 broadly and 34,000 on the upside, 32,000 on lower side. There can be minor spikes and all. Bank Nifty sustaining about 34,000 will trigger a move towards 6,000. 40,000, 6,000 points from here. Why I say 6,000 points? At least, if we observe this trending move right from 36,000 towards 30,000 nearly, this is approximately 6,000 points, 36,500 to 30,500. And this zone around 30,500, if we look closely, there were back-to-back push-throughs towards 30,500 to break that. If you observe here 1, 2, 3 times, and market trying to cross that, and now the present range or present pause which is happening is right about this pullback high of double bottoms, triple bottom, whatever you call. And interestingly is this 30,500 is just near to the February lows. And if you remember, since February, after the budget day, in every video, I have been repeatedly telling Nifty future or Nifty 14,000, 13,700 zone is the reference zone for 2021. And Bank Nifty has exactly formed a base right around those support zone, good base, and then breaking out of the range and pausing. So once this present consolidation is completed of 32,000, 34,000 range, this one 32,000, 34,000 zone, if this is the accumulation pattern which has formed around lows and this was the follow through, then the next move can be violent one towards 40,000, because it has to cross this previous highs of 37,700 plus and complete the targets. On a higher side, this complete accumulation will capture 6,000 points minimum from post this breakout. So 40,000 looks very much likely if 34,000 is captured. If at all 32,000 breaks, then immediate support will be 30,500, 30,000 zone. And if at all this gives away, then get ready for 25,000. And this may more, if 32,000 does not hold, there is highly likely that 30,000 may break. 30,500 might break. Now, if that breaks with good volumes, or it is just a trapping break, everything will be known only when price moves there. As of now, I am waiting for a consolidation within 34,000, 32,000 zone for some more time, maybe at least the next week before market triggers a breakout on a higher side or lower side. Until then, as always, until this 14,000, 13,700 zone of Nifty is held, year 2021 remains to be bullish on any dips. And this is the reference for the year 30,700, 14,000 zone, not to be forgotten. And recently, if someone has watched the videos previously and followed the levels, Nifty has given a dip till 14,150. So it was just a 300, 400 point risk to be taken. Risk worth to be taken for the complete year. Now, how one takes a trade, managing a trade is important instead of fearing what the news flow is. So that's interesting pattern betting getting formed on Bank Nifty, not to be missed. Keep on watch. Over to you,
I
Vijay.
think yeah, Bengal elections was one factor which kept the market guessing, because market में हमेशा जो है uncertainty जो है वो market digest नहीं करता. पार्टी जीतती है हारती है
Market
उनको उससे मतलब नहीं है, उनको सर्टेनिटी चाहिए कि जीत गए या हार गए, ये पता चलना चाहिए. तो
the
आई
main
थिंक
thing
उसी
is, Vijay,
yeah.
actually these elections or state elections specifically or anything else, these at all, these things rarely matters to the market. Market normally uses, what smart money does is it uses such opportunities to create a mind of panic or indecisiveness into the retail individuals, irrational minds, so that the smart money can capture maximum what they want to do. Because this is the opportunity where if there is no news flow, why will retail be indecisive? Why will be retail out of position? He'll try at least short or long. If there is some kind of confusion, only then retail will be away from the market. That's what the media is being used normally by the smart money so that retail miss the move. Smart money has the maximum out of it. Market does not care what's going to happen for next 1-2 months. Market try to look for 6 months, 1 year down the line. So market, what's important is 6 months down down the line. What does market think can be the economy structure or anything else, and they plan accordingly.
Sure.
Okay, so friends, कमिंग वीक के लिए जैसा लेवल्स बताया था याद रखने का, द लेवल्स टू बी रिमेंबर्ड 15,050 and 14,800 for the coming week. Keep this in mind and do share your feedback, suggestions. Please subscribe to the channel of Telegram and also subscribe to this YouTube bell icon so that you get a timely notifications whenever we do midweek updates or anything as we get time. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Do share and subscribe, and please share your feedback, comments. It helps us to improve. It will help us to share something what you like to know you for any stocks, your views. That's it for us from us for today. We'll look ahead for the next week, a 4-day week in the next week analysis.